Gusty winds, dry ground, and warming temperatures. The recipe for a day of brush fires, like the one 8 fire departments responded to in Bow around 10:30 Sunday morning.
There's been a lot of them around. I mean, we have gotten some rain, but it's still very dry out there, and things are moving quick until things green up.
The National Weather Service issued a red flag warning earlier in the day for central through southern New Hampshire, working with state agencies to make the call. They say for conditions to qualify for a red flag, wind gusts are over 25 miles an hour, and humidity values fall between 25 to 30%.
Not too long after the snow has melted and things are dry, this when we start to see our elevated levels of fire weather risk.
While those red flag warnings are in place, the service wants people to remember easy-to-follow rules to stay safe.
Just be careful with any kind of open flames outside and to check with your officials on any ordinances regarding that.
As for firefighters, they're waiting for more color to pop out in foliage before they expect brush fires to calm down.
Once we get into warmer, sunnier weather, you get all the lower shrubs and everything that turn green. Right now, everything's brown and still dead.
The National Weather Service added that lighter winds are expected for tomorrow, so that won't play a factor in more red flag warnings for now. In studio, John Schoenheider, WMUR News 9.